everyone. So we will start with a presentation regarding a new development achieved by ArcelorMittal in the possibility to reuse an existing material for a new ballast for the structure in the sea. So in a steel plant, in the process of steel making, we have different steps with different generation of different byproducts. And in these different steps, we generate an average of 50 different byproducts in the steel process. We select one of these byproducts generated by the converter, so we convert the pig iron into steel. So at the step of the converter, we inject oxygen in the liquid pig iron in order to generate, to extract the carbon and to generate CO2. And during this step, we also inject in the liquid steel a large quantity of lime. This part of the lime is transferred directly into the slag, the converter slag, and part of the steel is also a component of this slag. This slag is extracted from the main flow, and quality is checked from this converter up to the final product definition. So we work as a quarry. Why? So you have there the different steps of the process inside a steel plant. Typically, this is the case of the plant of Fos-sur-Mer, but you have the same explanation which you will find in the plant of Dunkirk. And in this different step, we generate slowly, we refresh slowly the slag, and we prepare the different grain size of the final material. What we can say is that this material has a high interesting density, but ArcelorMittal has never checked the possibility to propose this possible ballasting material to the windmill offshore, the offshore windmill park. So the idea is to propose this recycled material in different applications, such as stabilization of cables, offshore platform ballasting, and also the floating structure and all this kind of structure built in the sea. Inside ArcelorMittal, we are also ready to prepare design made of steel in order to generate different boxes and or bags which can be put on cables or on different structure depending on the need of the customer. So what is interesting in this application? We generate value based on this byproduct generated in our steel plant. This is fully innovative. Today it has never been done around the world. This is also a solution which will be tested in front of Marseille, directly in the sea, in order to estimate the impact and on refresh and generation of life in the sea. So we think that this material will boost the ecosystem in the sea directly, due to the fact today it is applied for plants on Earth. So we grind this material and we use it in agriculture today as a liming agent for the soil. So the effect is very beneficial for the soil today, and we think that the effect will be the same on the plants in sea. The ballast doesn't contain any CO2 today because the CO2 is charged on steel. We apply directly a clear circular economy project. It's a local project with local material for ballast. We avoid extraction of natural stone from quarry, and we propose different solutions such as new ecological mooring also for application in the sea. In parallel, we will apply a clear attractive price for this material. So you have there an idea about the composition of the material. And the content of iron inside the material will provide high density, interesting density for this application. And you have there some typical value for the density. So we can estimate between 3.5 tons per cubic meter of real density. We can also propose this ballasting as a screw protection around the different windmills. Due to the high density, it's more stable, and in the case we can boost the local environment, we will generate some life, and it will be favorable for the plants. In parallel, this material is charged with lime. Part of the lime is free lime, so we will have effect of expansion, and we achieve some technical tests in order to get the clear validation of the use of this ballast in a closed structure. So in this case, we built at the size of 1:5 a structure prototype in our research center in Mézières, and we follow up inside this prototype, which has been ballasted and filled with seawater. We follow up the pressure exerted inside the structure in order to validate that the expansion will not make some disruption on too much pressure also on the wall. So this has been validated. So you have there the effect of the free lime in contact with water. The expansion is clearly limited because we measure it since 2 years ago. So it's a regular measurement of the pressure on the walls. You have there the different results of the study. And the conclusion is that we validate this new ballasting material for projects such as the project of Fécamp, made by EDF with this kind of structure. So in parallel, we will test the use of steel slag as an environmental boosting material in addition to ballast. And we work together with the company Ecocéan in order to follow up the environmental effect of this material. So the idea with Ecocéan is to propose a new type of dikes. One side of the dikes will protect the coast, and the other side will be used to develop the ecological area. And we will measure the efficiency of this ecological area in a project which is called Delta, and which will start in front of Marseille. So for this project Delta, we design specific boxes, steel boxes filled with this ballast, and we will follow up the water quality, the fauna and flora, and the fish counting during the full project. This project will take 2 years and will be started this year. You have there an idea of the area where will be put the different structures in Marseille. And as explained, we also propose on the market now some mooring anchors for private vessel and sailing ships. So the idea is to avoid the destruction of Posidonia in Mediterranean coast. So from the 2 different plants of ArcelorMittal in Dunkerque and Fos-sur-Mer, we are able to deliver directly the different offshore projects. It's possible also to use in some case the quay, existing quay in the plants or in the seaport area, and to generate new activity in the seaport. If the project is too large, we are also able to to use and to propose the same material generated for different plants based on Belgium coast or Spain or Germany, depending the size. And we are now starting the project in the south of France for the ecological evaluation survey, and we are interested to start the same kind of project in Dunkirk area, because today you have no regulation for this kind of use. It's fully new, and if we want to address the topic to the authorities, we need to provide them some results. And local authorities can take the decision to accept or not this kind of new solution. So the technical part of the solution has been fully validated with the research test we did during 2 years. And now we are starting the environmental effect and evaluation, but positive environmental. The idea is to develop specific boosted area where the plants will grow faster compared to the natural stones which are used, or natural aggregates. So as a reminder, this material is ground today and used on Earth for agriculture everywhere in Europe. So we think that the same effect will boost the life in the sea for the plants. That's all. So if you have questions, you can contact me and we will check for project.